Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Strumming Guitar. I'm happy to present 21 Pilots for you. They have a new album released, Reach. Now, let's go into this song here and probably more songs that come from that new album. If you like them, like I do, then stay tuned here on Strumming Guitar. Now, let's focus on Cottonwood, okay? So this is a great song. Slow tempo. I thought it could be nice to start in that way. So yes, let's go into it. And you can see the setup here is capo on second. That's the absolute best scenario for us. And with that, we have 6 chords, I believe. So let's start with the chords. We're gonna start with D. So D is open D, second G, third B, and second E. We continue with B minor, which is a bar chord. So you place your index finger here on the second fret. You push down 5 strings from bottom and up like this. And then you need to add fourth on D, fourth G, and third B. We go to C next. And that will be third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We continue with A minor. That will be open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have G next. That will be third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And then we have F finally, and that will be a bar chord. That is a bar on this first fret with the index finger and across all strings there. And then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. Alright, so there we have all the chords. Now let's go into the strumming and we will start very easy with that. If you grab the D chord and one round goes like this. Okay, so it's about 4 downs, and I try to emphasize the third down in the way that I'm playing on the higher strings. I really kick the bottom down there on that down. All the other strings I try to get in the mid bass area. It's hard to demonstrate that on just this specific D chord since it just covers 4 strings. But for instance on F it will sound like this. Okay, so it's on the bass strings, first, second, and fourth down. The third down I go down on the high strings. So that is something you can aim for. Now let's go into this song and start with the first verse. That will be D, 1 string around, B minor 1, and C 2. And that chord progression of these 3 chords you're gonna play for 4 rounds. So D1, B minor 1, C2, like this. Play 2 rounds for you. You're gonna double up for 4 rounds, and that's the first verse. Over to the pre-chorus, and that is just to stay on that C for another 2 rounds. Okay, so you stop at the verse with the 4 rounds on that C, and just continue with that C for another 2 rounds. That's the pre-chorus. Then over to the chorus now. So we're about 41 seconds in. You're gonna play A minor 2 string rounds, C 2 string rounds, G 2 string rounds, F 2 string rounds. Then you start on the second half of it, so to speak. So you're gonna start again with A minor 2 and then C 2, and that's it. You're gonna play that for just 1 round. So A minor, C, G, F, A minor, and C. 2 string rounds per chord, and you play like this. That's it, guys. The first round is over. Now into the second round. The second verse is just repetition, 4 rounds of that D, B minor, and C. The same goes with the second pre-chorus. You stay in that C, and then even the second chorus. So no changes here. Everything is just repetition. After that second chorus comes the bridge part. Okay, so we're about 1 minute and 48 seconds in. So what you're gonna do here is to play that A minor, 2 string rounds, C2, G2, and F2. That comes from the chorus part. You're gonna play that portion for 2 full rounds. So A minor, C, G, F, 2 string rounds for 2 full rounds. And then you're gonna go into G2, A minor 2, C2, and B minor 2, and play that chord progression for 2 rounds, okay? And that will cover the bridge part. After that, you're gonna finish off with this final course, the third one, and that one is played exactly the same as the previous courses. And guess what, guys? That is the end of 21 Pilots Cottonwood, okay? Great song, fits the guitar obviously very well, so give it a try if you like them, and be back here for more uploads. Till then, play tuned.